Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I'm going apartment hunting. It's that time again. We outgrow spaces and sometimes we need to upgrade something. So yes, I'm going apartment hunting. So it is the 22nd of July. Yes, I'm hoping to move in by the end of August, so I have to go apartment hunting from now. So I am looking something that is bigger than where I'm at now. I'm looking at 2 bedroom, 2 bath, and I wanted to have in unit washer and dryer is a must because my first apartment they didn't have in unit washer and dryer and we had to share. So here this apartment we do have it in here inside, so I want another apartment with washer and dryer inside. And what else again? 2 bathrooms. And yes, I want my kitchen to have white cupboards. I really love where I'm at now. It's just that I need more space, so that's the only reason why I am moving, just to get more space. And where I'm at now, I'm really loving my kitchen. The cupboards are white and I'm going for something like where I'm at now. A gym is a must because I am a lazy girl at times. So if the gym is right there, then I will use it. But if I have to leave home to go to the gym, then I don't think I'm going to be in the gym. So having a gym is a must. And what else am I looking for? Yeah, so that's the kitchen is going to be the most important part for me. I want my kitchen I want the upgrade type of kitchen. Okay, so let's go. I think I'm talking too much, so let's go. So the rain is falling, guys. What a day to be looking at apartments. And I have a schedule time to go and view an apartment at 10:30. It is now 10:15, but it's raining, so I'm just holding off a bit before I leave out. Guys, I had to leave out even though it's still raining.
Take the next left onto Courtney Lakes Circle, then turn right to stay on Courtney Lakes Circle.
Alright guys, so I've reached my destination. I'm going in now to view.
From what I see, you guys are looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, correct?
Yeah.
A time frame, we're looking for the end of August, I see, or is there?
Yeah, end of August.
End of August, ideally. Okay, great. And when it comes to budget, do we have a certain price range you want to stay, or we can narrow down your options? How are we feeling about budget right now? Maybe, because right now our starting for a 2-bedroom is
Yeah,
That's not really bad. This is our pool area. It's open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Yes, the pool is heated. And all of the cabanas, the hammocks, the grills that we just gonna do are all first come first served, not really reservations.
Right.
We're just gonna do propane ones that are going to be finished installing today.
Okay.
Which is good. But yeah, everything first come first served. It's a
Okay.
really small community, so everything's really close to all the amenities.
Okay.
So whatever building you end up being at, it's really close to you.
Okay.
Close this. Okay. The gym is 24 hours. So I have a little bit of everything on this. Yeah, nothing's really included in the rent, but like,
Oh.
That's for July.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, if you want some drinks, there's some drinks in it too. Bedroom too, that, yes.
The bedroom are the same size?
No, this is way bigger. You'll see. Yeah.
Where's the coffee? This is our favorite part, so
Kitchen?
should I cook?
Oh, I love, yeah, no, I feel like the kitchen's the best part. A lot of space.
Okay, so yeah, like bottom up, I have a walk-in.
Yeah, there's one bathtub, one.
Okay. Nice space.
Yeah, a lot of space.
Yeah.
She can remember everything.
More space.
A lot of space, I know.
So the bathroom is two basin and yeah. Okay, bathroom is perfect. And the closet. Oh my god, yes, this is what I was talking about, Kevin, the mirror. Mm-hmm. Remember the two side mirror?
Oh,
I
okay.
love it. Yeah, this is it.
No.
No?
I don't think so.
So everything's gonna come just like without the decor, but everything's gonna be just plain white.
Right.
White.
And the glasses you guys put it like that, right?
Yeah, we decorated all it. So it'll be empty. I know, it's a good idea.
Nice.
Yeah, it'll just be just like this, but without. There's another color scheme that it's instead of the brown cabinets, it's white cabinets.
Right.
I would prefer the white,
The white?
the white kitchen, yeah, the counters.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So we'll see what there is, but at least we know you're okay with both.
Yeah. Actually, no, one big room instead of one bathroom instead of it.
So hold on there. Is the same size, both rooms?
No, she said that room is bigger.
Really?
Wait, this door.
Yeah. Oh, it's just the closet smaller for this room. Yeah.
Yes, that room is bigger, right?
I love it here.
So we provide the filters.
Okay.
So when it gets like starts getting black, just give it to us. And then
Okay.
here's the washer dryer here.
Oh.
So you guys can look and see.
Oh.
Yeah, this is much better washer and dryer.
Yeah, then the
Yeah,
one
right.
we
Like
have.
this sitting, yeah. We don't like the stopwasher.
Oh yeah. Our one
mine.
bedrooms have the stack one. But since this is two bedroom, they'll have it like that. Always.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
Nice.
Okay.
Dryer.
I like that it have this, you know, you can always hang something
It's all
like.
our whatever.
Yeah. It's cool.
This fob for everything. Oh my god.
Oh, wait, no.
Here's a kind of business center to your left, but please keep an eye though. Yeah, keep my friend.
This is all the same thing.
Yeah. There you go.
I love it.
Yeah.
When it comes to apply. So as you see, there's a $99 application fee per person, and then a $250 administration fee. It's not per person, just split between the applicants, so you two.
Okay.
But if your credit's good, it can stay to 560 much.
Okay.
Do you have any pets?
No.
No. Okay, so you're good.
Okay.
And you guys.
Yeah.
Can as well.
And the parking space, we just choose anyone, right? To park anywhere.
Yeah, we have a lot of parking, so we usually don't have problems with
That's a
doing
plus. I like that.
Okay.
I like them, yeah.
because we're a small community, so we have a lot of parking now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I drive a big vehicle, so that's why.
Oh, you do? Gotcha. And then I'm gonna give you this, and you're gonna remember that you looked at this for Blatter, 1141 square feet.
Oh, that's, okay.
These are for you guys to keep. Any questions, always.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice over here. Yes, I'm so excited. I love it, love it, love it. I love this complex. It's nice over here. We'll drive out. And Brand Smart. Yeah, I really like it. The white, a plus, and the two-face basin. That's a plus, like plus.